If you want to use a Video Toolbox on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to first of all make sure that Video Toolbox is enabled. So we're gonna go to Settings, then we're gonna scroll down to Additional Settings. Over here we're gonna proceed to Floating Windows, then go to Side Toolbox, and over here we need to make sure that Video Toolbox is enabled. It is actually off by default, so make sure that it is enabled. After that we can open a video. So in my case I'm just gonna use YouTube for that. Let's open any video over here, and after that you should be able to open the sidebar in order to find the Video Toolbox, where we can find some different stuff that might be quite useful for improving the quality of the video. And of course in the full screen you should also be able to open the Video Toolbox without any issues. And that is pretty much it. There's also, for example, the theater mode, which we can enable. We have some additional stuff like recording, screenshotting, casting, and AI subtitles. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.